Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the Soul Prequel error. So let's get started. So if your Soul Knight Prequel app showing error, you have to follow this easy step. So first of all I will just open it. Okay, so if it does not open or shows error like here you can see, okay, so then here you have to press and hold that here, just leave that I button. It will open the app info section of that app. So here you have to scroll down and just go to the storage, click on here at clear data, just clear the existing data, then open it again. If it's worked then fine, if it does not show the error then you have to check for an update. Sorry, if it shows then check for the update, and by this way you can fix it. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.